Patterns and numbers in nature and the world. It is regular, repeated, recurring forms or designs. Mathematics includes not only numbers but also shapes, figures, letters, and others. Patterns in nature are visible, regular forms found in the natural world. The patterns can sometimes be modified mathematically and they include symmetries. Example: cylinders, foams, tessellations, and trees. Types of patterns in nature. Symmetry. You can draw an imagery line across an object and the resulting parts are mirror images of each other. Two types of symmetry. Reflective symmetry means that one half of an image is the mirror of the other half. For example, the proportion of human body or the human body. Rational symmetry means that the object or image can be turned around a center point and match itself some number of times. The example is the flower and red trillium. Another types of patterns in nature. Fractals was discovered in 1975 by Benoit Mandelbrot and described as self-similar. And the example of this is the fern, cast of human lungs, tree, lightning. The other types for patterns and natures is the spiral pattern. It is common in plants and in some animals, notably mollusks and also in human. The example for this is the millipedes, cacti, tendrils of patola. Other types of patterns in nature. The meanders. It is bends in rivers or other channels which form as a fluid. Most often water flows around bends. The example for this is the Agusan River. Other types of patterns in nature. Waves. Disturbance that carry energy as they move. The example is waves. The other types of patterns in nature is the tessellations. Patterns formed by repeating tiles all over a flat surface. The example is honeycomb and pineapple. Patterns are also seen in the external appearance of the animals. The examples of this is the tigers and cats. They have spots and stripes.